How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips that will allow you to make your following and your followers list more private on Instagram. Now, unfortunately, there is no specific setting that we can change to actually hide these lists, but there are some techniques that we can use to make them more private. And unfortunately, if you have a professional account or a business account within Instagram, you will not be able to do those steps. It only works on personal accounts. So to get started, the first thing we want to do is make sure that we are on a personal account on Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to just a test account I have that's a personal account. Currently, if anyone goes to this account, they can select and see who's following and who I'm following. In order to hide those lists so people cannot click on them, what we have to do is we have to make our Instagram account private. And to make our account private, the first thing we need to do from our profile page, we first need to select the three lines in the top right, select Settings, and then under Settings, find Privacy. Select Privacy. As you can see at the top, Account Privacy, go ahead and toggle that over so that your account is private. This will make it so only people that you allow to follow you will be able to see your account. This includes any post you make, as well as your following and follower list. So go ahead and select Switch to Private, and then we can back out. So now if someone goes to my account and I have not accepted them as a follower and they try to open the follower list or the following list, nothing will happen. As you can see, those are grayed out for this account. Now, unfortunately, with this method of making your account private, anyone who currently follows you will still be able to see those lists. So the only way to stop them from seeing those lists is to remove them as a follower. And to do that, all we need to do is go back to our profile in Instagram, then select the follower list. Then next to the follower, you just want to select remove. As you can see, Instagram will not notify the person that you remove them as a follower, but the next time they go to your account, they will not be able to see your following or your followers list. All right, that's how you hide Instagram following and followers list. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.